So you want to learn how a story becomes a story? Well,
Hey, I'm hearing reports of a plane crash.
Right, we've got breaking news. People need to know the facts and we have to work fast and get the story right. We need to verify the who, what, where, when, how, and why. To do this, we will send our reporters to the scene to talk to witnesses, emergency services, the airline spokesperson, and others to independently confirm the facts. We are searching for the truth. Once our reporters have gathered all the facts, they will send us photos, videos, and audio as well as quotes for our story. Next, the story goes to our editor, who is responsible for the clarity and accuracy of the story, whether it is for print, our website, social media, television, or radio. The editor asks the reporter tough questions. How do we know what we know? What do we still need to find out? Have we covered all sides of the story? The editor wants to be careful because once the story is released, it's out there for the whole world to see, and we don't want to share incorrect information. Our job is to report the facts and context and verify all the information so you get the truth, the real story. Now we are ready to share the story with you. We care about the truth, and so should you. So, before you pass along information, ask tough questions. Stop, reflect, and verify. Be a champion of spreading real news.